Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate payroll with Gusto, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin automating payroll with Gusto, start by creating a Gusto account if you don't have one yet. Visit the Gusto website and click on Get Started. Fill in your email address and create a password. Next, enter your business name and basic information. Once you've completed the initial setup, you'll need to provide your business details. Input your legal business name, address, and any relevant tax identification numbers. Next, add your employees to the system. You can do this manually or upload a CSV file if you have many employees. For each employee, enter their personal information, including name, address, and social security number. After adding employee details, set their pay schedules. Select how often you want to pay your employees, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Now, set up the payment methods for your employees. Gusto allows direct deposits, so you'll need to gather your employees' bank information. Next, configure tax settings for your business. Gusto will guide you through entering your federal and state tax information. Once taxes are set up, review your payroll settings thoroughly. Adjust any specific preferences, such as overtime rates and paid time off policies. With settings in place, it's time to run your first payroll. Go to the Payroll section in your Gusto dashboard and select Run Payroll. Follow the prompts to review hours, check for any discrepancies, and confirm expenses. Once everything looks correct, click Submit to process payroll. You'll receive a confirmation once payroll is successfully processed. As you continue using Gusto, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and reporting features. These tools can help you track employee hours, payroll expenses, and tax filings more effectively. Regularly check for software updates or new features from Gusto to enhance your payroll automation. By following these steps, you'll have a fully automated payroll system using Gusto that makes managing employee payments hassle-free. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.